Welcome back to my kitchen. You saw that thumbnail, right? My version of potato skins for my family. They're getting ready for the Super Bowl, so they're asking for all types of things. So we're doing potato skins, guys, my way, the way we like them here in the house. And I guess I gotta say congratulations to the Rams. And what's that team that Drew Brees paid for? Like their 9th year or something, going to the Super Bowl, my son put it. Congratulations to you guys on whoever win this whole football championship thing. It's not Green Bay, so I still will watch it just because the kids are still going to watch it. I need a paper towel. The neck is sweating. Ooh. Girl, greasy, right? You wouldn't believe it's only 8:45 a.m. in the morning. Today, Wednesday. And I got this oven preheated. And guys, again, if you want my apron, they'll be available coming February. In February, the aprons will be available. I will list all the information on my community page. So let's get started with this. You need a bowl. You need some baked potatoes. I baked these potatoes last night. A good thing about this recipe is that you can make these potatoes 2-3 days in advance just to get them out the way. Some good old crunchy, crunch bacon. I cooked in the oven. We're going to chop up. And of course you need your favorite cheese. Some sour cream. I'm not using chives or green onions. The kids that don't want that. But I want something green to make it look pretty. So you know, I'm gonna add some parsley flakes to some presentation. And some melted butter. And that's my oven going off. And of course a tray. So I made these baked potatoes. These are Russian baked potatoes. And I made these yesterday on 400, about for 60 minutes. Yeah, so if you got leftover potatoes, this is exactly what you can do with them. So I'm gonna move my bacon to the side. This is my potato, and I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna cut it. Right down the middle, like that. Oh, this ain't a good potato. Good thing I'm not keeping that. I'm going to set that to the side because I do want the flesh that's inside of these. Just because you could use this flesh for homemade mashed potatoes. Put it in a sandwich bag, freeze it, or use it the next day. If you don't freeze it, put it in a sandwich bag, use it the next day, and you make you some good homemade potatoes. Take this one and do the same thing. Get rid of what's ever going on in the middle of that potato. And just dig, all of this out, guys. Again, you can save this to make you some homemade mashed potatoes. These were sitting all night on my countertop. Yeah, so they're ready to get done. And I got the oven preheated at 450. And I think I did like 4 of them. So I did like 4 of them. So once you cut them like this, just walk away. You're going to take and just cut them right down the middle. I don't like that knife. These are big, long ones too. Cut them. Look like little boats, right? Cut them right down the middle, just like that. And you're going to place them on a cookie sheet. These some big long ones because these some big potatoes. You're going to place them on a cookie sheet like this. And then let me go. I'm going to do the rest of them and be right back. My end results. See that? My potatoes. I had 4 potatoes. It made 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 18 skins. So, I have some melted butter here. Melted margarine, melted butter. I got melted butter. And take your brush and just put some butter in the inside of those things. I mean, I know it could be easier to order some for Fridays. Go pick some up at the freezer department in your local grocery store. But I'm telling you, it's nothing like making things at home for your family. Not that much butter, you guys. Just sprinkle, you know, it'll get crisp. These will go in the oven on 400, like maybe for 6 or 7 minutes. I want them nice and crispy. So I'm putting these in the oven on 400 for 7 minutes, and we back to top them. Well, let's say I'm putting them over 5 minutes to get them crispy, because once I put them back in the oven for the cheese to melt, that's going to take about a good 3 minutes. So yeah. Okay, we're back. My potato skins are out the oven. They're kind of crispy, but I don't want to over crisp them because I got to put on the bacon and the cheese. So I'm going to move these back to the side. That pan is hot, honey. Here's my bacon, and we're going to chop up the bacon. And how much bacon and cheese you use, guys, Soul Squad, it is up to you. You are your chef in your kitchen. I'm just helping you with the recipe. You can add, take something out if you don't like it. I cooked this bacon on 400 in the oven on a full cookie sheet, and it came out perfect. I'm going to make sure, I think about 9 slices. Yeah, I did about 9. Yeah. No, yeah, I did 9. And then I'm counting it in my head. I did exactly 9 pieces, so I can make sure I have enough. So everything, quantity and stuff, is based on your party size. You know, how many people you have in, you know. My kids are going to love this. This is why nobody didn't wake up when I was making the bacon, thinking I was cooking breakfast this fine Wednesday morning. This is the kids' last day of school. Not last day of school. Last day of being freaking home from school, guys. They got out of school on Friday. Friday. Just going back Thursday tomorrow. You hear me? That's why I like these pockets and these aprons. Just stick everything in the pocket of my apron. Put my bacon right here. I'll bring my tray back over. Now, I have a son who don't like cheddar cheese. He likes mozzarella cheese. And I had just a little bit left in this pack, and he is so lucky. So I'm going to make him a couple with this little bit of mozzarella cheese. I need some water. Thirsty. So let's get started. Shredded cheese. And these are pretty long. So, how much cheese you put in here? Again, you are the chef in your kitchen, honey. Do what you like. Should I put the cheese on first or the bacon on first? Doesn't matter. And you know what? Even though I top these, bacon smell awesome. I love the commercial. Awesome sauce. I'm going to place the bacon on first. For the cheese to be on top of that bacon. Mine's like little boats. Ooh. I better go easy on the bacon. Because I didn't know my things was going to be this long. I knew I had some nice sized potatoes. I'm thinking maybe I should have did. How many, some of them is going to be some cheese. Nah, everybody going to get just a taste of bacon. That was just enough. Actually, it was just enough because, remember, it's an appetizer. You know? Oh, this bacon smells wonderful. Look at that. Look at that. Tell me they're not going to eat that, people. Okay. Now, go in with the cheese. Make this as cheesy as you like. I make this as cheesy. My children love everything cheesy, okay? First thing in the morning, huh? Now, I have, I'm making a mess. I have 3. Now I'm going to do with this little bit of mozzarella cheese I have in here for my oldest child. Hey, Mom, I got to go to work in the morning. They going to be ready? I said, yes, honey. Please do mine some mozzarella cheese. I said, yes, boy. That's my oldest and our East father. Please do mine some mozzarella cheese. Okay. These are basically going back in the oven for maybe 3 minutes or until the cheese melts. Okay. Here they go out the oven, guys. Melted all up. I'm going to let them cool down before I put them on a plate, top it with some whipped cream and parsley flakes. Or at this point, if you have onions or chive, green onions or some chives, how you want to make your potato skins. They look so good, guys. Even the mozzarella ones for my son. Okay, guys, so this is the end result. Remember, this is how we do it here. Now, some people like sour cream, some people don't. But sour cream, potatoes, come on. You can't beat that. Just put a little bit in the middle. Because when you serve them, everybody may not like the sour cream. Some people may like the sour cream. So you just give them a little bit, a little bit that they could spread on their potato. That make their potato like, oh man, this was so yummy. You know what I'm saying? Of course, in my house, unfortunately, you're not going to get any green onions. If I had chives, maybe chives. To me, I think the green onions and the chives is just all about decorations. So, guys, make sure you let your potatoes cool down, because if you decide to do just a little bit of whipped cream, Lord Jesus. If you decide to do just a little bit of sour cream, for your company. Right in the middle. Yes. You don't want it to be all melted. Green, remember? It's just for decorations.
Hey, Mom. Mom.
What?
A potato.
Yeah.
A potato flew around my room before you came.
So guys, these are my loaded potatoes done my way. They're not even loaded potatoes, loaded potato skins done my way here in my house. If you like this recipe, it's going to be in the description box below. Like, share, and subscribe. That's what I love all that. And don't forget, everything is in the description below. Excuse me. Don't forget about the Vision Board Conference, April the 6th. Come get your tickets. Yeah, so baked potato skins. Oh, it's the Patriots and the Rams. That's who's in the Super Bowl. Patriots and the Rams. I got it. I remembered it. So yeah, guys, here we go. I love you, Soul Squads. Thanks for supporting. Again, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to go to Roku Television. See my videos there if you can't make it to YouTube. Until next video. Ready? Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Who in your family? Who in your family